Today, we will be discussing how to replace the hubs on a Series 30,000 reel. We offer select repair kits to help with maintenance and repairs, which are available on our website. In this video, we'll be using the Series 30,000 hub kit. Begin by removing the swivel. Next, grab your snap ring pliers and remove the snap ring. From there, remove the 4 bolts at the base of the reel and take off the side frame. Unscrew the T-brake and set it aside. Then, remove the existing hardware from the hub and take the hub out. To install the new hub, we'll reverse those steps. When installing the hub, make sure the square portion lines up with the notch at the top of the frame so that you can access the T-brake or nylon friction brake. Place the new hub into the side frame and secure it using the provided hardware. Reinstall the T-brake, then attach the side frame back onto the base of the reel. Reinstall the snap ring. Reinstall the swivel. Now we'll move to the other side. Start by removing the handle. Then, remove the snap ring to access the hub. Take out the 4 bolts at the base of the reel and remove the side frame. To remove the hub from the spool assembly, remove the bolts and pull the disc off so you have full access to the hub assembly. Replace the old hub with the new one. If you're using the existing shaft, line the hub with the flat part and install the set screw. If you're using a new shaft, line the hub with the hole in the shaft, push the bolt through, and tighten. Place the disc back on, then reinstall the provided hardware onto the spool assembly. Next, we'll replace the hub in the side frame. Remove the existing hardware, then remove the old hub. Install the new one using the provided hardware. Once that's secure, reinstall the side frame onto the base of the reel. Then, reinstall the handle and the drag brake. Now you're ready to use the new hubs on your Series 30,000 reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.